First candidate is Siti Binti Razali from KOLEJ KEMAHIRAN LEDANG.
My name is Muhammad Kamarul Izzat bin Muhammad Kamal Hysam as second candidates from KOLEJ KEMAHIRAN LEDANG, and we are from program therapeutics.
Firstly is introduction. A system that continuously monitor the condition of medical equipment alam by providing and creating solution using IoT, which is intensive model of therapy between the medical device, microcontroller and Bluetooth communication so that the patient life-threatening event will be never missed.
Objective of the project: first, to develop a low-cost monitoring instrumentation system of medical equipment under alarm in order to reduce fatigue alarm error behavior. There are many components that has been used in this project, such as first, sound sensor model FC04, second, Arduino Uno, third, Bluetooth module, resistor, capacitor and LED. Second, to program an interactive wireless communication in identifying medical equipment under alarm in order to assist technical services response within the time frame. Third is to determine and prioritize the differences of alarm sound wave in terms of frequency and amplitude between patient monitor and shrink pump device. Methodology of this project. In this project, we use two different medical equipment, such as first, Philips SureSign VM6 bedside monitor, second, Terumo Telefusion TE331 shrink pump. So we need to know what is the function of bedside monitor. Bedside monitor used when the doctor wants to measure functions like the heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure and temperature. So the function of shrink pump is to gradually administer small amounts of fluid with or without medication to a patient or for use in chemical and biomedical research. As we can see in this poster, we can see the block diagram of MEAMS, which is the medical equipment alarm monitoring system. So first thing first, the alarm sound were triggered by the error condition from two different medical equipment, which are bedside monitor and shrink pump. So the output frequency sound from bedside monitor is 522 Hz. And the second one is the shrink pump. Shrink pump was 3427.1 Hz. So there are difference of frequency. Okay, next the waveform of the alarm sound from both medical equipment, then being detected by sound sensor. The model of sound sensor was FC04. After the sound sensor, we go to the next part. Okay, after that, the sound signal will then go through signal conditioning circuit, which consists of amplifier unit, DC offset voltage unit and filtering unit. Okay, next, the signal that come out from signal conditioning circuit will then be transferred to Arduino Uno microcontroller. So this microcontroller already installed with specific program to detect the alarm sound pattern. We can use many software to compile the coding, such as first we can use Code Python and Arduino also can. Okay, next, the program will then processing the output and then process transferring data to end users smartphones via Bluetooth using Bluetooth module. And then in order to alert the user that will receive the notification will be clinician such as nurse, a medical assistant MA or the technician that will involve in corrective maintenance.
For the result, we have measured the frequency, the color of LED and the notification on the smartphone using Bluetooth connection. For the first equipment is Philips patient monitor. The frequency is 522 Hz and the color of LED is blue. Second is Terumo shrink pump and the frequency is 3727.1 Hz and the color of LED is red. As we can see the flowchart, firstly start and process about sound sensor detect alarm sound pattern using frequency. The decision is if the value of frequency is more than 527 and less than 517, only the color blue is on. Then if the decision is the value of frequency is more than 3732 and less than 3722, the color of LED only red is on. The last condition is if the value frequency have two. Firstly, is more than 527 and less than 517. The color of LED blue is on. While if the value frequency is more than 3732 and then less than 3722, the color of LED is red.
For the conclusion, in a nutshell, the project were able to achieve all the objectives. A low-cost monitoring instrumentation system were developed with budget of 150 ringgit Malaysian and it is functioning well. Next, a wireless communication platform to monitor the alarm sounds of medical equipment were programmed by using a Bluetooth module that can be sent notification to the smartphone of clinician so they can speed up the response times towards patient. Lastly, the alarm sound of patient monitor and shrink pump can be differentiated in terms of type, location and the urgently required of the alarm.
In this our project, we have referred some reference such as ECRI Institute, Executive Brief Top 10 Health Technology Hazard for 2018-2017, Miguel at Quintana-Suarez, David Sanchez Riguez, a low-cost wire acoustic sensor for ambient assistant living system 2017, Yoshinori Ramashita Shingo Kamasawa, Development of Medical Equipment Alarm Monitoring System 2013. And lastly, Nur Farahin Binti Mafar, Biomedical Force or Breakdown Detection Equipment 2019.
During the making of this project, there are many people who had been involved in order to make this project succeed. Firstly, Muhammad Hariz bin Hamid, Lecturer, Kolej Kemahiran Tinggi Marhal LEDANG. Second, Sahari bin Hassan, Head of Program Therapeutics, Kolej Kemahiran Tinggi Marhal LEDANG. Thank you.